Hey everybody, Jordan Nanney again from Compass South Forestry. I want to stop and answer the question today, what is a veneer log? Veneer is a term to describe specialty wood products used for paneling on furniture, in luxury cars, or on boats, or on airplanes. So here we are looking at a white oak tree that I've painted with a slash and marked with the number 12. These trees have to be free and clear of defects on all four sides. Here's the first defect, which is about 13 feet. So from here down, this tree will be merchandised into a veneer log to be sold for a premium price. From here up, we will merchandise a lot of that into stave log material, which will then be used to build whiskey barrels for those of you that like bourbon and whiskey. And then the remainder of the log will be used for railroad ties or for dimensional lumber, or if it's too small, be used for firewood or pulpwood. Veneer white oak especially is a hot ticket item right now, and if you have those on your property, they're paying really good prices. So if you think you have some veneer white oak, give us a call. We'd be happy to come look at it and tell you if that's the case, and review some financials with you to see if you may want to harvest some of those trees. Thanks a lot. Y'all have a great day.